English therapy makes me a perfect and confident person. I'm very, very grateful for English therapy. This is Shamim Reza. I'm from Shiraz Gons, and this is my identity. And now, my identity, I'm a student of English therapy. Actually, now I'm gonna share with my English therapy journey. I will share with you before coming English therapy and after coming English therapy journey. So before coming English therapy, my journey was too much poor. I'm not a good student, and I have already shared my English level uh, and also everything. And that video was published in English therapy YouTube and Facebook channel, and most of the students are maybe seen. You all know that I'm not. I wasn't good at English, and when I came here English therapy on first day, uh, every teacher take on first speech, and that day I wasn't capable to speak within 1 minute. Maybe I have shared one or two sentences. After that, I was nervous, and I know English, but I didn't deliver my speech properly. And in this during this 3 months, I learned lots of things from English therapy, uh, because I shared that one things. Maybe I believe most of the students didn't know what is the meditation, where is quantum method. I didn't know. After coming English therapy, I know what is meditation, what is the benefit of meditation, and I do it most of the time regularly, and it makes my mind very peace and very calm. And another thing is English therapy teach me always be serious, always be positive, and make your consistency, never afraid for everything. And another thing is in English everything is right. There is no wrong in English. In this moment, I am very, very grateful for my parents who sent me for learning English, and not only sent here, but also from my in my whole life, they always support me. They didn't say those who are benefit for me, those who are useful uh, for me. They always support me, and they say give me money and send here. And I believe this their money is not waste. I used properly their money, and they sent me here for learning English, and I learned English properly. And we should continue our legacy. If we stop this legacy for learning English, within 1 month we will forget everything. Is it is it possible? Because I know that whenever but in first month my realize was why is every teachers said never speak English, never speak Bangla, never speak Bangla. I went my elder sister home, and I in one day I said just Bangla, and last day after that I forget English. Just yeah, I said one day Bangla, and I forget everything. So we should continue our legacy. Whenever we go out for English therapy rules, that time there is no difficulty in speaking Bangla, but we have to continue our legacy for speaking English, and we have to be uh, serious about English. And at last, I am very grateful about English therapy, because I was disappointed person, but still now English therapy makes me a perfect and confident person. I'm very, very grateful for English therapy. Thank you for very much. Assalamu alaikum.